how to solve 8 power of a minus 1 is equal to 72. Find the value of a. Here apply this exponential rule that k power of m minus n is equal to k power m over k power n. So here 8 power of a minus 1 is same as 8 power a over 8 power 1 is equal to 72. In the next step we have 8 power a over 8 power 1 is same as 8 is equal to 72. Now we multiply by 8 in both sides. Multiply by 8. This 8 will be cancelled out. Now we apply log in both sides. So log of 8 power a is equal to log of 72 times 8. Now here apply rule that log k power m is equal to m log k. This power m move to the base. Here this power a will move to the base, so it will be a log 8 is equal to log of 72 times 8. So I apply this formula, log of m times n is equal to log m plus log n. So it will be log 72 plus log 8. Now we divided by log 8 in both sides because we need the value of a. Divided by log 8 divided by log 8. This log 8 will be cancelled out. Here a is equal to this part over log 8 then plus this part over log 8. So here log 72 over log 8 plus log 8 over log 8. This log 8 will be cancelled out. Here 1. Next step, a will be equal to log 72 is same as log of 8 times 9 over log 8. Then here plus 1. In the next step, a is equal to log of 8 times 9 is same as log 8 plus log 9 over log 8 plus 1. In the next step, a will be equal to log 8 over log 8 plus log 9 over log 8 plus 1. This log 8 will be cancelled out. Here 1. A will be equal to 1 plus 1 is same as 2 plus log 9 is same as 2 log 3 over log 8 is same as 3 log 2. So the value of A so it will be A is equal to 2 plus 2 log 3 over 3 log 2 is same as 2 over 3 log 3 base 2. This is the value of A. So this is our final answer.